I bed go lie down a little bit and then I see 8 o'clock. I say, what? Nice. So see there, I reach my apartment, I just park in one. When I cock up on a dirty blood clot, someone will lame. When I can't motivate to not own herself. See my husband there in Jamaica, I still get on with life. Nothing not stop me. That we have to tell you. You know, they cock up on a cocker clot at church, it's in my ears. You know, see me I get bigger and braver. I perform better. I'm proud of my performance, you know, man. So when I look for me something, I don't see me put up a little something on my page. I don't know when they're not going to break me, you know, because they're never going to break me, you know. Because everything I'm going to turn me on. I love myself, you know. Oh, God. So you see the way I love myself, if you deny me of your love, ha ha, that's a fucking mother. Because I'm self-love. Understand? And I remind me for Black Jen Jen, I not forgot. Yeah, see the good old ram for there. I not forgot Jen Jen and I remind me she's too rude. But she don't want to advise. So I'm come off from my phone and don't insult me, lady. I want to tell you, you know how much influence me upon the world per man. You know, someone give me, someone call me and give me them blessings and say, Mama, I respect you, know, Mama, I rate you, know. Because some of them girls are the least little thing them do, they want to give her the catches to say, well, the man go fuck on them, you know. Yeah, man. What now? Morning. What? Hello? Hello, morning. Why my ticket not coming out? You don't know? I don't know either. Say that. Hello? What the rats clot? All right, I get it. I think. Thank you. Uh-huh. When I pay my parking ticket for me, I reach here at the center. You saw in a boss it. Ha ha ha. When you remind me for Black Jen Jen, she too rude. Boy, you're in some. What you mean you don't want no advice? So come off from my page, darling. You don't have to want my advice. But don't try to insult me, darling, because I am a nice person. I want to not insult me like that and I get aggressive and disgusting. Last night, one woman I come talk about she love me, but I'm awful. Awful like I need your pussy tongue, woman. Don't think you can insult me for be myself. Wanna not disrespect me. I may be back awful and I paint a picture like me just get up and awful. Dirty blood clot, man. My manners are blood nice and sweet. You hear that? Me the sweetest idiot. Until when? You know, make me feel like gonna take me for some big bumper baba who I may say, alright. Wait, baby, wait. Thank you. 1 minute. Thank you, darling. Lord, me get parking. When I pay my parking ticket. Yeah, Mariah crazy them. Message me and so God Queenie and I did a morning devotion. You got Jamaica got sting out weird at the ball. You know what you? Them not even know say me have so much for my head, but it's because I'm crazy never lazy. Me say, no, I give them like a time. I over TikTok at over TikTok. We go over TikTok last night, go get money again. I said TikTok are going nice. I get one big what's it called again? Let me see if them a chat me. Where's my glasses? I got TikTok last night to say I crazy. I'm getting enough money again. I tell you what, the game so excited, oh God. Them say Queenie get one shark. Me say what shark mean them say when the game are done and them get the shark, it can make you win. Guess what? I get one lion. Come here, look for shark. So when we see the lion, the way I scream, I excite myself, I piss up my blood clot self for that. I say, I laugh. I say, Uncle Queenie, I laugh. A good thing I go on over TikTok, man. Go inside, you will be late. Baby, let me not go be late, baby. All right, this up. Macadamia, no, man. Morning. Me say, well bad. Mother hater me queen. My grandbad. Oh, I'm for black the girl don't. She name Jen Jen. Jen Jen is too rude. Write something again, make me block you. So I tell them, so listen, but I sell out the Instagram people them up. I'm they said me I go TikTok. I'm telling you, sir. When I must come. Like I get me I go TikTok. So they don't feel like me selling out because I'm after share. Okay? It's 1 week. I want the ticket I just get there. Don't think me bring my purse. Oh, my rich, my purse there. Rich purse, you know, hot girl. Who's a hot girl or top girl? Never a flat girl. Nice purse. No money down in there. Don't look out my purse. Number one, why so morning? Moving the fucker box, blood clot. Some man all I take people be a father and people husband and have a good look man. One of to try with and give him a little chance. You know, and give him a chance. You know, and prove to the friend same this, you know. So I go fuck, so I go fuck. And I get triple this. You stay with my one this. Me now make three somebody this. Okay. You know, I feel good now, bomber clock, man. Can't have no ticket on me. I'm trying to. They make you feel pure and strong. When you have man one control there. Now, look on this now, you see them take time and call me about B. Are we over the sauce? B, what you just said? No blood clot, man, can't control. My husband alone and him no one control. He just want me to live. I just love myself. I want some of this. I'm still there. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Brian Crazy. I don't need to forget one of that book here. I need one new one. If anyone want to donate me a new one, because I want to have dog ears, cow ears, and it look for it. Yeah, but it still can't work the money. I take more and go back more. But the out in the road done. It's alright. Yeah, my car is out. Crazy's in the door move. I reach, so even if I'm 5 minutes late, it's alright. Okay, I'm gonna go TikTok when I'm in the hairdresser. So, all who not subscribe to my TikTok, I'm gonna go over TikTok. Yeah? I change my mind, I come back from my split. So, who knows for them flag me at the airport? You know, when the people not easy. One could have report me, one could have flag me, one could have call up. I don't have nothing illegal I go on for me. I'm too hot. My hot plus tax. Just for the way my hot alone. And you can't get me no bangarang for lock me up. I have to stay here for rain. I have to go double tap for my clean for pussy girl. From parish to parishes. You understand me? Country to countries. So none of blood clot on you can't put nothing for me and no airport. I'm too smart, I'm too pure. I come too far. None of blood clot on you can't give me an ounce of ass clot this. All who never come to England yet. On a queen nicey. They're nice girl in a grey. Anybody trouble me, I trouble them back. You see that TK Max here? They can get some nice bits. Back in the days now, all this morning now, I wake up, I'm come here, so all five are in that car. I will park, one go TK Maxx, one go Gap, one go JD Sports, some go on River Island, and we are work. We go, we get one set, and them days, you know, sometimes I remember them days, and I said, Chano, look how I live. To say, Marley son, my 40 more stop shoplift. It never done 40, you know. But I set that. I put my foot down. And it happens. I can proudly look for myself and say, Queenie, come used to get up every day. If the shop them not lock. Blue Water, Lakeside. Lakeside lock 9 o'clock. And Blue Water lock 10. So it's when them shopping area lock. If you catch Blue Water and Lakeside. Those are the days, son. It's all them era. So one day one security ran me down a place from River Island. I say, oh my God. You see I'll gap up there, so the gap, I wonder if the gap's still up there. Gap, you know. So one day I have a friend come up there, you know. And him load up. And me load up. And when I come to the door, I saw an undercover. My spirit, I have good spirit. Me alone can go in that shop and work. I don't need no help. I want to last. I will place there again. I think it's here. Shot too much. I don't remember our place there. Keisha! I open up. Oh, I'm fine now. I don't think my name is Idiot. Ha ha. I reach. Ha. I saw her in here, sir. Yeah. Ha ha ha. You don't think my name is Idiot. Rasclat. Somebody before her. Rockabye. Just clear. You see it there. I'm telling her, sir. I go stay in the car for 5 minutes. And then, it's a nice pretty shop, yeah. But it's not open. My granny say all who car here feel. I never tell her something. For me, stay in the car 10 minutes. Early bird catch the more swerve. In the morning, cock-a-doodle-doo. All right, I'm going to sit in the car until I get there. Hey, the way they been over your balls to England cold. This is why I come last week. I come with the sunshine. I come with the heat. Kind of cold. It's just nice. All that stiff cocky cold with them did I get. I melt them with the sun. When I walk with me that cold, I go you know something. Oh, it's your color. out here windy. Stiff cocky weather. The weather is stiff like when cocky gets. But I'm not appetite too early. I don't want them to eat. Them big cup of coffee or them drink my ginger tea early. You know, funny enough, yeah. So I live in England. I don't really drink tea often, you know. Like maybe every 2 weeks I drink a cup of tea. He's not a tea person. But it's like when you put the cold warmness. Hey, I'm still a black in a ginger, remember? You must stick me in a member. Fucking rude. But you know, want to advise something. Well, I'm going to take you. You don't want to hear my annoying advice. I love my annoying advice. Oh, this struggle is really good. Alright. When I chat me, I don't love me. Which one? When you miss me, I don't tired of me. You know, it's that when I make my work go on this, so. Morning, my darling. What happened? You, where am I going in the shop, like? This shutter drawer. Pardon? Okay, alright, may I come back on there, yeah. Thank you. She there here, outside. Still I smoke my weed. Shh. Number one wife you want yummy yummy. What is yummy yummy? Yum head? I would that woman that just said about my husband. Okay, and I forget what hairstyle may I do today. Oh, the damn stupid eyeglass. Who's my eyeglass? Grand Rising. I'm gonna find the eyeglass the truth. One man to Queenie Goody. Yeah, that is good support. It's true. Don't try bash me. I'm gonna bash you back. I can't see people sensitive personal life and feel like you wanna hear about it and I can't be rude. No. Hey, watch our video with you, them doing me, whatever anything. I say me a bad blood clot. Love when I watch what I said, I'm gonna say me a bad blood clot girl, me a bad girl. Authority. You have to demand authority over your life, what you want. But you stand up for your belief, your strength, your motivation, your power, your determination. All of that come with the factor of life. Understand? Big up your husband. But some music, thank you. Yes, I appreciate that. Yeah, man. I tell my husband, Mr. Dewey, all the way I talked to you yesterday, you're supposed to say, boy, I get the best wife. Yeah, man, I fight for my husband. Love conquer it all. I believe in love. Because I'm lovely. You understand? Money can't buy love. Me and my royal crazies. Cause stiff titty girl. Big 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 titty girl. On must get one TV program for me. Every week. I get a 1 hour or a 2 hour. I sit down there with enough and do the most. Make the best. Because life is short. And there's things that we can appreciate and give